I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's game here with another reaction. Move. Today, guys, we are with Devin the Dakta again. Less than 24 hours. Devin the Dakta with 3 little Crocs. Bumbleclot. Let me say something before me even start the reaction now. Listen to me, dog. I'm going to take out my glasses because it's serious time now. Listen to me. When a song drop, I want to say too late in the night. Nobody try to call me on the gram. Nobody try to call me. Once you say an hour pass, I'm going to react. You know say I sleep, bro. Remember, say my time zone different from phone time zone. So please, give me time for sleep. Yeah. When we wake up, we see it. Please. My Instagram inbox full. Call full. All my phone. What do you want me do? Eh? You just give me time to sleep. And the artist tell me I drop the song them so late. I want to stop it. Please, I beg you. I want to stop it. Brother, I want to stop it. Alright? Anyway, Devin the Dakta, 3 little Crocs. Already blood clot. This year, no. Before me do anything else, more big up the graphic designer, the person who create the artwork and it fucking creative. So just as much as Devin to get big up, the person who do this to get big up. I wish I know your name to give you a personal big up, fam. Big up yourself. It bad. Them bad. From the first one until now, them bad. Alright. Anyway, we see 3 little ones. So alright, this is a massacre. We know what's a massacre, this cool. So this is a Uno. This is a Shane Skull. And this is a Wire Brains. So the next one are who? So someone in the comment section, please help me. Because them said 3 little Crocs. So a massacre, Shane Skull and Wire Brain are 3 little Crocs. So what is next one, extra one there for? Anyway, make see what I want to see. Let's go.
3 little Crocs went out one day. Out of the swamp, hatchlings gone stray.
Yo, I'm telling you now, you better not leave blood like Devin the Dakta. You hear me say? You leave Devin the Dakta alone. Because he got troll on bro.
Out of the swamp, hatchlings gone stray. Daddy Croc here. And none of the fucking hatchlings went back. Which part? 3 little Crocs went out one day.
Wait.
Out of the swamp, hatchlings gone stray. Daddy Croc here. And none of the fucking hatchlings went back. Which part of your rod chain? Stop it, yeah, bitch. Stop it talking, go and go wash your car quick. Clean the
Yo, hold on, please, hold on. Something just going on for me a while ago when nothing go on. Hold on there. Wait no man. Wait. See it here. Alright. Me bind them back. Hold on no man. Shane Skull. The man's a rich part pan your bad brother. You're not bad brother. Stop it talking, brother. You a bitch. Go wash your car. Hurry up.
Out of the swamp, hatchlings gone stray. Daddy Croc here. And none of the fucking hatchlings went back. Which part of your rod chain? Stop it, yeah, bitch. Stop it talking, go and go wash your car quick. Clean the yucks, wash your dog shit. Just a small reminder, you're not an artist.
The man said go clean the house, go wash the car, go clean up the dog shit out of the yard. You don't see dog shit on the... You don't see dog shit on the side, go clean it up. One to you. Stop it talking, brother. Stop it talking. There's a quick reminder, you're not an artist. That is what Devin the Dakta is saying to Shane, not me.
Clean the yucks.
Watch your dog shit.
Just a small reminder, you're
not an artist.
I could have sent me with the bottom on this. Not a be a well steady with the matic now miss.
I couldn't send Mary the bottom on this. Not a be a wallet. Me tell she in the last song, I say, bro, you can't small up country badness, bro. Country badness is not like one time. It's different from now, bro. Every man have them rifle lean up and war around there. Adopt me a telling the dog, like, no ramp with countryman them, bro.
I could have sent me with the bottom on this. Not a be a well steady with the matic now miss. Sit down a fantasize about man in a wig. Me say it clear, can master fish.
You sit down and fantasize about man in a wig, brother. Me see it clear. Say you're your genocide boss. You're a massacre. On a fish out. On a wobble. Yeah. On a wobble. On a weak. That's how the G said, not me.
Don't fantasize about man in a wig. Me see it clear, can massacre fish. Crocodile young people. I saw your design, so you sleep with Shelly and pussy on your mind.
Crocodile name people. Remember say on our Crocs, you know. Crocodile name people. I saw no design. You sleep with Shelly and current on your mind. You sleep with Shelly and pum pum on your mind. Cause be a Shelly pum pum you tell me about.
Crocodile name people. I saw your design, so you sleep with Shelly and pussy on your mind. Be a net on the rifle for shoving I'm guy. Budo bye bye. Head up fly, looking nice guy. But which part pussy you a pung guy? Call him pung guy. Go tell you good try. Your friend.
Wait.
But which part pussy you a pung guy? Call him pung guy. Go tell you good try.
Pungai. No longer you the word there. A real country word that. The man say, yo, you're a pungai, brother. That means say you're a fish. Yes, you're a real pungai. Yeah, I'll tell you a good try.
Your friends that rate them know you would die. Yeah, them still send you pungai. Go tell you good try. Your friends that rate them know you would die. Yeah, them still send you out for dead, so goodbye.
Your friend them not rate you, bro. With friends like these who need enemies, them know say you go dead, but them still should be out, bro. What kind of fucking friend them there keep? Goodbye. Goodbye.
Your friends that rate them know you would die. Yeah, them still send you out for dead, so goodbye. Pussy can't style me career, what do the clap for ya? Shane, you carry your rear, but you massacre.
Hold on a minute. Hold on a fucking minute, dog. Hold on, man.
They'll send you out for dead, so goodbye. Pussy can't style me career, what do the clap for ya? Shane, you carry your rear, but you massacre.
Man say you can't style him career. I want that clap for you. Remember say you carry your rump, you carry your back door, you carry your body, you carry your NR. You know what I mean. Him say you can't go give massacre. Him a tell us say yo, him never bow out, him never link with no man for come in a game. Him say you do it, so you carry your body, go give massacre.
Pussy can't style me career, what do the clap for ya? Shane, you carry your rear, but you massacre. You a batty man, a gunshot in your scapula. One in your trachea, one in your patella, one in your medulla, one in your fibula.
Bumbo clot. Someone's gunshot you get, brother. One in your fibula, one in your medulla, one in your blood clots, one in everywhere.
Shane, you carry your rear, but you massacre. You a batty man, a gunshot in your scapula. One in your trachea, one in your patella, one in your medulla, one in your fibula, one in your maxilla. Them bullet can't tackle. Shot fly to scope, a gunshot in your macula.
Better than the Lord Devin, the doctor. I will advise him, don't answer him. Make him continue to clash with himself when you don't answer him. If you don't show what massacre on the don't answer him, I beg you, don't answer him. She ain't called. Why are you on the door? Leave him alone. Leave him alone, bro. Leave massacre alone. Not massacre, Devin. Leave Devin alone.
Your maxilla, them bullet can't tackle. Shot fly to scope, a gunshot in your macula. Cops them a mace to me con them spectacular. But this upgrade, we got this squad, this when me par with your call 119. So me baby mother call me. She dispatch a unit where you pull up at your yard fee.
Man saying baby mother cops, so big up the cops them when par with. Well, I man say cops them are rear, so baby mother call him. When time uno met the call at the station, and baby mother call him, can baby mother record the station?
Cops them a mace to me con them spectacular. But this upgrade, we got this squad, this when me par with your call 119. So me baby mother call me. She dispatch a unit where you pull up at your yard fee. Give you one of the 20 matic where them a par with. They just be barret.
And she dispatch a unit to pull up at your yard. They get 20 matic where you par. Remember say massacre say, on 20 matic clap Wednesday. Remember say matic, say yo the 20 matic where you par with.
Dispatch a unit where you pull up at your yard fee. Give you one of the 20 matic where them a par with. They just be barret me done. The commander want me charge it. Jamie down a west. Yo Mikel where them a go on with. Big up here a tree. Clarendon lift up the tall thing. If you run go over camp, me soldier killers kick your brawling.
If you run go over camp, me soldier killers kick your brawling. Also big up the police them down a area 3, big up all the police them when link. That's one to the right so.
Mobile reserve, your SWAT now do the talking. Era 5, let's talk about Constant Spring. Police kill a brother, take the coke that it was nothing. Yes, police kill my brother cause the murders him involving. I get me
Him a tell you say yes, police kill him brother. Because of murder him involving, but police kill your brother because a coke him must not. A coke.
kill a brother, take the coke that it was was nothing. Yes, police kill my brother.
Hold on.
Let's talk about Constant Spring. Police kill a brother, take the coke that it was nothing. Yes, police kill my brother cause the murders him involving. I get my place, you sent Mary with the farming. They got me banana walk, you find dead body still a morning.
Big up the banana what? Big up St. Mary banana chips them. Big up the farmer them over St. Mary. Hey, him said don't fuck up. You will find dead body till a man in the banana walk. How am I
I get my place, you St. Mary with the farming. They got me banana walk, you find dead body still a morning. Bet you have to drive out St. Thomas for reach a Portland. St. Mary block the road, you're not crossing. Now
you have to drive out St. Thomas to reach a Portland, St. Mary, block the road. You're not crossing. You can't cross the border.
Bet you have to drive out St. Thomas for reach a Portland. St. Mary block the road, you're not crossing. Now this your mother 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, God bless the dead. Yes, my mother dead to two of them in a heaven. But yeah, this my mother son. So but that she got defense, she grab a knife from the angel and run go kill the bitch again.
The man said, listen what I'm just saying a while ago. Him say nah this your mother, cause she dead. Fee mother dead too. Yes, cool. Two of them in a heaven. But guess what? Because you this fear son, which is fee mother son, which is him. Because you this him, fee mother I go grab a knife and go stab up your mother. What the fuck?
Now this your mother 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, God bless the dead. Yes, my mother dead to two of them in a heaven. But yeah, this my mother son. So but that she got defense, she grab a knife from the angel and run go kill the bitch again.
She grab a knife from the angel and run go kill the bitch again. So he must say, him not got this year mother, but fee mother I got this year mother fee. Oh, what the black lad?
Yeah, this my mother son. So but that she got defense, she grab a knife from the angel and run go kill the bitch again. Talking about family, you not deny the claim. Fucks me a chat. People go check the lane.
Talking about family, you're not deny what I'm saying in the last song. Furthermore, Chains called Devin address most of it. I think about one line or two line him really address in a Devin song. Him not address a lot of things in the song. So that leaves the door open for people continue to speculate. But Devin tell us say, yo, listen, I fax me a top, bro. Uno go and go check for yourself. Go and go check the lane. Like achoo.
Talking about family, you not deny the claim. Fucks me a chat. People go check the lane. Find Crystal McDonald, she will deny the same. But me understand still the whole family shame. She can.
Him say find Crystal McDonald, she will deny it. Yes, she will because of shame. But guess what? The whole family, bro.
Find Crystal McDonald, she will deny the same. But me understand still the whole family shame. She
Yeah.
and her mother used to clean it and rifle before the bitch dead. Then run them out, she start to clean her brother instead.
Bumbleclot. She and her brother used to she and her mother used to clean the damn rifle instead. But it must say the damn run her road. So she
And her mother used to clean it and rifle before the bitch dead. Then
She and her mother used to clean the Dan rifle before the bitch dead.
run them out, she start to clean her brother instead.
The Dan run them out of the place. The Dan met them have to lift up. And then, the way she love clean rifle, she starts to clean her brother rifle instead. Blood clot. Hood you know? Hood the man attack, you know? Hood.
The and her mother used to clean it and rifle before the bitch dead. Then run them out, she start to clean her brother instead. She ain't give me a chat, you by your sister little piece bed. Your incest for war, me fling lead in a incest head. Bad man for what, me wall me own, me never twist up. Me even want no gal, all of them germs that pussy shit up.
Me even want a girl that one of them germ that pussy shit up. Yo!
Bad man for what, me wall me own, me never twist up. Me even want no gal, all of them germs that pussy shit up. I'll butcher no a fuck, check Javon, baby mother. Jano, can't believe I saw the crocodile fish up.
Who I give them information here? Man say, I'll butcher your fuck, check Devin baby mother. Who for baby mother? Javon or Devin?
I'll butcher no a fuck, check Javon, baby mother.
Javon baby mother. A butch. Him say, I'll butcher no a fuck, bro. Like, are someone desperate? Baby mother at that? Not even fuck, you breed it? Javon, our one.
Jano, can't believe I saw the crocodile fish up. One bag of gal bring a pussy, put a foot. From me hold a push. In a gal, me never joke about. If I that to no do, then.
Man say, never joke about. Yo, one bag of gal bring the pussy come a foot.
You be fuck a man, little booger yo. Shot a fly, chop up in a yo. Even if me get a jacket and a slim, me prefer choose that. Me wouldn't choose to be you, no, cause you got two that. You cannot touch me.
The man say, even if him get a jacket, him that more happy with choosing that rather than doing what you did. You have two father.
Father shows much less a super. Me dad the boss a shoot, decapitate the little fool ya. 3 little Crocs went out one day. Out of the swamp hatchlings gone straight. Daddy Croc here. And none of the fucking hatchlings went back. When the next guy your name, who that? By your brain, sound tired than lame. That's true. By your train, no. By your plane, yes. Flying at the air, we do what? Skydive, now your mother head where? Young skull with the 17, yo. All him too, yeah, but him nervous, him cool and a tremble.
Oh, young skull. Oh, a young skull at the next, at the next one. Okay, so everybody get it. So it kind of make me know about the thumbnail now. So you have Massacre, so Shane Skull, Wirebrain, and Young Skull. Okay, me get it now.
By your plane, yes. Flying at the air, we do what? Skydive, now your mother head where? Young skull with the 17, yo. All him too, yeah, but him nervous, him cool and a tremble. Wall a rope, young skull, it's simple.
Bumbleclaw, wall a rope, Young Skull, it's simple, bro. Just do the right thing, bro. Don't make the right thing, deal. Me blood, everybody get it. Everybody get it. Wirebrain get it now the last. Young Skull get it now the last. Shane Skull bina get it. Massacre bina get it. Bumbleclaw. What more? Uno leave Devin the Dakta alone. Take my foolish advice. Uno leave Devin the Dakta alone, bro. Uno leave him alone, bro. If uno not send out Massacre come answer him directly, uno leave him alone. Me I tell you no. Shane Skull, Wirebrain, big up on yourself. Nice try. But uno leave Devin alone, bro. I'm just being honest, bro. Uno leave him alone, bro. Uno fucking leave this guy alone. One link down in the comment section. I'm a second reaction channel. Please do me a favor and just drop a sub over there. So it's free, not costing nothing. Let me know what you guys think about this on the comment section, and I'll be down there. Shit.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.